Hi, this is Dr. Mitchell, and in this video we're going to walk through how to do a Wilcoxon sign rank test in JASP. Now if you recall, Wilcoxon test is one we're going to use when we would typically do a paired t-test, but we have data that is categorical or has violated other assumptions, so we can't do a normal paired t-test. So I have two data sets here, and I'm immediately going to go into JASP. We have a pre and a post group, which is very much a classic type of data set we would use here. And as you can see just from the data, by the nature of it, you can also see the little signs here. These are categories. These are groups here. And you're just going to click on those. We'll see those are nominal, ordinal. They're group data. And so this is a good data set to do this type of test. Now, truthfully, the steps of doing this are really nearly the same as doing a typical t-test. So we're going to go to our t-test here. We're going to go to paired samples, again, because this is a paired group. Now, it wants to know what's our paired variables. Well, we're going to go pre versus post. And immediately it's given us a p-value. But remember, this is just for a regular dependent paired t-test, right? Well, this data is categorical, and so you'll notice right here there's a little check mark we can do for a Wilcoxon sign rank test. Once we do that, it'll give us a Wilcoxon value, and that's 0.028. Now, both of these are significant for this data set, but you'll notice it is a little bit different, and so we do want to be aware of that in this. After doing this, really everything else we did for a paired t-test is similar. We want to look at our effect size, our descriptives. We can look at some of our rainbow plots that we've talked about previously, our kernel density plots, our box plots if we need to. We obviously can do a normality check, which despite this being categorical actually is okay when it comes to normality. So there might be a question for this data set whether even a Wilcoxon is even necessary. We can obviously do our confidence intervals if we so choose. So a lot of these outputs we got with our paired t-test, we obviously can also do here with our Wilcoxon test. I hope that helped, and we'll see you in the next video.